Mosman has always been a huge attraction to the modern family buyer, and this property definitely lives up to the brief when it comes to expansive proportions as well as high quality finishes. Hi, I'm Stefon Bertram and welcome to another Pello property. This one is sure to impress and I can't wait to walk you through when it comes to large proportions, separate living quarters and an elevated position with all year sun. Let's go have a look. Entering this home, you're instantly met with soaring high ceilings as well as hardwood floors throughout level 1. Moving through the property, you'll find an incredible open plan space off the entertainer's eating kitchen. The kitchen is well appointed with high caliber gas LV appliances, 40mm stone bench tops and endless storage options. The whole space is sun drenched with the selection of skylights. Through to the front of the home, you'll find both a formal lounge and dining area, which offers incredible separate living quarters. The accommodation for this property is generous across 5 bedrooms. The 5th is ideally located on level 1, which is great for in-law or guest accommodation. The 3rd bedroom could easily double as a 3rd upstairs lounge room or teenage retreat, flowing out to a balcony with district views. Something that is incredible with this home and what is going to stand out to every buyer, apart from the commanding high side position, incredible sun, it has to be this rear entertaining space with open plan living straight off the kitchen, a seamless indoor-outdoor flow right under an alfresco area. It is all year entertaining at its absolute best. Other features include an oversized double lock-up garage, separate level 1 area, as well as ducted air conditioning throughout. The location for this property is second to none, with the popular Cremorne Point walk at your fingertips, as well as easy access to regular government transport, popular shops, cafes, parks, and easy back streets to the city, shaving off tens of minutes from your commute. After walking through this home, you can really feel that it ticks every box when it comes to modern family living. If there's any questions, please give me a call. If not, we will see you at the next inspection.